Hi, I'm Thomas, and right now I'm standing in Luxury Fix. I had given my BM 3 Series for renovation, and I came to know Luxury Fix through Jishan. Actually, Jishan I was associated during his period in Infinity, and right now he started his business of his own. And actually, I'm very happy that I've given this vehicle over here because he has done a fantastic job with this vehicle. My vehicle is actually almost 10 years old, but today what he has done, he's shown me that it is looking like brand new. So great work Jishan, and great work Luxury Fix. I hope whoever sees this will definitely give the vehicle over here for the works, because they are doing a very good job over here.